Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you an alternative of different crocheting baby blankets or throws, or you want to make a pillows with that pattern. It's so simple. You will prepare these lines. You can prepare your blankets or throws length with your puff numbers, and you can prepare your projects with the lines number. It's so simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start crochet. Or so simple baby blanket. Let's start crochet. I will use in my blanket yarn size category is 3. It's nearly 100 grams is 210 meters. Okay, and I want to use with that 5 millimeter hook. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Turn back to the first chain and join two sides together with slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over. Insert my hook that little hole. Grab my yarn and pull it. Yarn over, insert that hole, grab my yarn, pull it. Yarn over, insert here, pull it. Yarn over, insert here and pull it. I made a puff stitch. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1 and plus 2 chains. Then make yarn over and one more puff here. Hide this tail 2 at the same time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Yarn over twice and insert that hole again. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Finish with treble. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn my work. Yarn over and work here, chain 2 space, and make your puffs 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1 and plus 2 chains. Then make one more puff, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, yarn over twice and insert your hook top of that chain 3 and make a treble. Pull 2, 2 and 2. I start with chain 3 because I made it loosey, but if it comes tight you can make here 4 chains. Yarn over, insert into chain 2 space and make my puff 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, plus 2 chains, yarn over, insert into the same space 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, yarn over twice, insert the top of that chain 3 and make your treble. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and turn with chain 3 or 4. You will repeat that until which length you want your blanket. Okay, I made a sample here. I repeated 15 times. If you want to make a baby blanket, you will repeat that rows until you have minimum 90 centimeter. If you want to make a little big, 1 meter 10 centimeter. Okay, you will repeat that which length you want. I complete my 15 rows. This is a sample. Again, I say after turn to you. I complete my sample. I repeat it 15 times. You will repeat it which length you want your blanket. Now turn my work and make 1 slip stitch and come to chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert into the same space, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. After, turn and insert between of these 2 double crochet. Grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. Make a picot. Yarn over, insert into the same space and make 1 more double. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn back to between of these 2 double here. Join with a single crochet. I will make the top of my line, this piece, 3 picots. Complete the last picot when I turn all around this. Then yarn over and come to first chain 3 space here. Make here double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Again turn back to that space. Join with a single crochet. Yarn over and make 1 more double crochet in the same space. Chain 3. Turn back between of these 2 double crochet. Join with a single crochet. We make our piece the top of 3 picots. Then after first space make 2 picots. Then all of the others make 1 picot until come to the last space. I will show you. Yarn over, come to next chain 3, make a double. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn back this space. Join with a single crochet. Yarn over, come to next space, make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn back and insert between of these 2 double. Join with a single crochet. Yarn over, come to next space, make a double. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert my hook between of these 2 double. Join with a single crochet. Make 1 double and make picot. Make 1 double and make picot. I will complete until come to the last chain 3 space. I will turn to you. I complete and come to the last chain 3 space. Actually we made a corner here. We want to turn it easily, not want to make it so tight. So yarn over, come to last chain 3 space, make a double, chain 3, turn back this space, join with a single crochet and make a picot. Then yarn over and insert into the same last space and make 1 more double. Then make 1 more picot here. 1, 1, 1, last space, make 2 double and 2 picots. Then come to our first space. This is the same as from the end point. So the start point we will make here 3. Yarn over and insert our hook first space and make here double. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn back between of these 2 double. Join with a single crochet, make a picot. Yarn over, insert into the same, make a double. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert here and make a picot. Yarn over, make 1 more double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3 chains. I insert my hook between of these 2 double crochet. Join with a single crochet. We turn easily. Now first chain 3 space, again last chain 3 space, I will do that same thing. Make here 2 double and 2 picots. Insert here, make a double, chain 3. I insert my hook here, turn back, make a picot. Yarn over and make 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. I have 2 double, insert into the between of them and make my picot. 2, 3, 2. Now after that I will make every chain 3 space, double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn back here and make a picot. Yarn over, come to next, make a double, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn back and make a picot. I will complete it. When I come to the last chain 3 space here, I will turn to you. I come to the last chain 3 space and make here double crochet, chain 3, turn back between of these two double and join with a single crochet. I make my picot and make one more double in the same space, chain 3, I insert my hook here, join with a single. Now you can see here I have 2 picots, need to make here one more, join with a slip stitch top of that first chain 3, 1 2 3 chains and turn back between of these two double and make my picot with single crochet, and next stitch join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. This is my first piece. You will make this piece all around. Okay, we prepare our first piece, turn all around with the picots. After that pieces, again we start with chain 6, make a slip knot, 1 2 3 4 5 6, turn back to the first one, join two sides together with slip stitch, then 1 2 3 chains, then yarn over and make your puff stitch, 1 2 3 4, pull through all together, chain 1 and lock, then add 2 more chains, yarn over and make one more puff, 1 2 3 4, pull through, locked with chain 1, yarn over twice, insert into the same space and make a treble, 1 2 3, chain 3 and turn your work, again make your puff stitches, 1 2 3 4, pull through, locked with chain 1, chain 2 and make one more puff, 1 2 3 4, pull through, locked with chain 1, yarn over twice, insert your top of that chain 3 and make your treble. You will keep repeating your puff stitches, which length you want. You complete my sample after turn to you and I will show you how you can join them together. I complete and turn to you. I complete my puff stitches, which length you want, you will complete that. Then take your piece. I join them different colors together. You will make your every line different color or make only one color. Okay. Now I finish here, again make one slip stitch and come to my top chain 2 space, chain 3, count as my first double, yarn over, insert into the same and make a double, 1 2 3 chains, turn back between of them and join with a single crochet, make my picot, yarn over, insert into that chain 2 space again and make a double, 1 2 3 chains and insert my hook between of these two double crochet and join with a single crochet, yarn over, come to first chain 3 space. You know we complete the third picot when we turn all around. We make top and the end 3 picots. We will make the first and the last chain 3 space, make 2 picots, all the others 1 picots, last and the first 2, here 3. Now yarn over, come to first space and make a double. Usually we make for picots 3 chains, make 1 chain, then take your joining big piece and hold it like that. This is top and this is my first space and I have here 2 picots. I insert my hook first picot here. I insert my hook first picot, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet and count as my 2 chains and make 1 more chain and again turn back to between of these two double crochet, join with a single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same space and make a double, chain 1, come to second picot of the first space, join with a single crochet and count as my second chain, and this is third chain. Turn back between of these two double, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. Yarn over, come to next space and make a double, chain 1, and here 1 picot you can see, insert here, join with a single crochet, chain 1, turn back and insert my hook and join with a single crochet, make my picot. Yarn over, come to next, make a double, chain 1, insert the next picots, join with a single crochet, add 1 more chain, and I have totally 3 chains here. Turn back and insert my hook between of these doubles and join with a single crochet. Yarn over, come to next, make double, chain 1, come to next, join with a single, chain 1, turn back and complete your picot. Like that, you will make your joinings, come to last chain 3 space, I will turn to you. I come to last space, you know we make here 2 picots, make my first double, chain 1, come to same space, here you can see I have 2, insert the first one, join with a single, count as my second chain, and this is the third. Turn back here and join with a single crochet. Yarn over and make 1 more double crochet, chain 1, come to next picot, join with a single crochet, chain 1, turn back here and join with a single crochet. Then here I need to make 3. 1, chain 3, turn back here, join with a single crochet, 2, chain 3, make your picot, 3, chain 3, make your picot and turn it, first chain 3 space, first chain 3 space, make 2 double, this is first, chain 3, make your picot, make 1 more double crochet, chain 3 and make your picot. The other one same, 1 double, 1 picot. You will join all the pieces together when you are crocheting. Which width you want, you will keep repeating like that. I complete, come to end and turn to you. Come to end, again do the same thing, make here 2 double and 2 picots, come to first, chain 3, stop, join with a slip stitch, chain 3, insert my hook between of these 2 double and make my picot, next double crochet, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. This is an alternative of baby blanket and throws. If you want to make different things, you can use this pattern, or you can make a pillow with that stitch. It's so easy and so fast crocheting. Hope you will like and try. Also, I said that you will make every line different color or only one color, or you can use multicolor. It's your choice. You can adapt it length with your puff stitch. You can prepare your width with your line number. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.